Okay, in this recording I'm going to show you how to get started in the edublogs Poco Contempo blog site. So once you've logged in, you have your username and your password. So I'm going to log in using my username and password. And up in the right-hand corner, it says howdy and then my username. If you so desire, you can edit your profile. You don't need to do that though. So you can view the class blog, what it looks like, the entire class blog. And then if you want to add new, you click on the plus and the new and click on post. And this is going to allow you to start adding your title. I'm just going to call this a sample post. And if you notice over here on the right-hand side where it says publish, you don't want to publish immediately. You just want to save the draft. You don't want to publish until you're completely finished with your blog entry. All 3 sections are finished, all finalized. So you want to save the draft, and this allows you to preview it. Also, the instructors as administrators can look in and preview what you've been doing too. So we can be giving you feedback on that without it being published for the whole world to see. So I'm just going to click on Save My Draft. Okay, and it gives me a link of what my sample post is going to be. So then I can start typing here. This is where I'll be putting in my content. And I can bold, italic, provide a bulleted list, use a block quote from a text, insert or edit a hyperlink. If I want to do this, if I want to put a hyperlink to someplace else, I type in the content that I want and then I highlight it, and it gives me the option to insert or edit the link. So say I want to insert a link, and then I can put the target URL there. And you always want to open link in a new window or tab, just because that helps in the navigation. I don't necessarily have a link, so I'm just going to close that. Let's say I want to add some media. Maybe I want to add a short video or an audio file or a picture. And this is the media library of everybody that's been adding to this course so far. And say I just want to add, because I like Joseph Conrad, I'm going to add this picture, and I'm going to write a caption, Conrad picture. And I want to make sure that I add an alternative text for those users who are using screen readers who can't see, so that they screen reader would read the text. So I would write photo of heart of darkness book cover, and then insert into the post. And you see it shows right up. So we've got the Conrad picture is the caption that goes underneath it. And then once this is published, if somebody is using a screen reader, it's going to read that alternative text that we put in there. And we can get fancier with how we want to format this. So we keep it in, we want to save our draft. And maybe we want to preview the draft to see what it looks like. And so then you can see the draft within the context of the others. And you can see that it's going to come back up in the... So say I'm not happy with my edit, I'm going to go back and edit the post, and I can continue to do this until I'm happy. And we're going to give you so you see here under the categories, there's uncategorized, and it says Fall 1, 2015. We'll have a Fall 2, 2015, because that's your term. You also want to use tags to identify this, so post-colonialism, maybe some thematic tags that makes your posting more searchable. And that's pretty much it. The key is you don't want to push this blue publish button until you're completely finished. Once you push publish, it's out there on the internet for anybody to see. So you want to keep just doing the save draft until you get to the end. And that's pretty much it. Each day you can log in and work on it. When you're finished, you just log out.